76 species in genus Rotala. Rotala, a world of aquatic wonders. I've always been drawn to the intricate beauty of aquatic plants. Their vibrant colors and delicate forms create an underwater world that is both mesmerizing and calming. Among my favorites is the genus Rotala, a diverse group of plants that has captured the hearts of aquarists and botanists alike. Rotala, a member of the loosestrife family, Lythraceae, is a genus of aquatic and semi-aquatic plants that boasts a wide variety of species. These plants are native to tropical and subtropical regions around the world, from Asia to Africa and the Americas. They are characterized by their whorled leaves, which means the leaves radiate from a single point on the stem, much like the spokes on a wheel. This unique arrangement, along with their vibrant colors and diverse forms, makes Rotala a popular choice for aquascapes. Diversity within Rotala. The genus Rotala encompasses a fascinating array of species, each with its own unique characteristics. See full list at monsteraholic.com. The allure of Rotala. What is it about Rotala that makes it so captivating? For me, it's the combination of beauty and adaptability. These plants not only add visual interest to an aquarium, but also play a crucial role in maintaining a healthy aquatic environment. They provide oxygen, absorb excess nutrients, and offer shelter for fish and invertebrates. Furthermore, Rotala is a testament to the wonders of nature's artistry. The way these plants grow, their leaves reaching for the light and their colors shifting with the water conditions, is a constant source of fascination. Cultivating Rotala. While some Rotala species are more demanding than others, most can be successfully grown with the right care. Adequate lighting, nutrient-rich substrate, and regular CO2 supplementation are essential for optimal growth and coloration. One of the joys of cultivating Rotala is witnessing its transformation under different conditions. With sufficient light and nutrients, these plants can display a breathtaking array of colors, from deep reds and oranges to vibrant greens and yellows. A personal connection. My fascination with Rotala goes beyond its aesthetic appeal. These plants represent a connection to the natural world, a reminder of the intricate beauty that exists beneath the surface. They inspire me to learn more about aquatic ecosystems and the delicate balance that sustains them. Whether I'm admiring a lush stand of Rotala rotundifolia in my aquarium or studying the intricate details of Rotala wallichii under a microscope, I am constantly reminded of the wonders of the plant kingdom. In the world of aquatic plants, Rotala stands out as a genus of exceptional beauty and diversity. Its adaptability, vibrant colors, and unique forms make it a favorite among aquarists and a testament to the artistry of nature.